Unboxing Lorrie's 10 premium lucky boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Purple Mini Lulu Tote Bag. Purple Mini Lulu Neverfull. Get 2 more charms. Purple Glitter Mini Lulu Bag. Lavender Mini CC Handbag. Get 2 more bags. Purple Lambskin Mini Birkin Bag. Get 1 more bag. Fresh Light Blue Mini CC Crossbody Bag. Get 1 more charm and 1 more bag. Purple Mini Eve Crossbody Bag. Get 1 more charm and 1 more chain. Pastel Mini Lulu Bag. Get 2 more chains. Luxe Quilted Purple Mini Eve Round Bag. Get 1 more charm and 1 more bag. Chic Two-Tone Purple Mini CC Bucket. Get 2 more chains. Combine 3 parts into a well-matching set. 3 into 1 again. 3 into 1 again. 3 into 1 again. 3 into 1 again. Elegant Purple Mini CC Bag. Get 1 more charm. Black monogram print mini zip bag. Soft lilac mini CC bow-shaped bag. Iridescent purple snakeskin mini cappuccini bag. Dark purple lambskin and silk mini Birkin bag. Colorful parrot queen charm. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the video and the products.